4 1 6 2 3 5
There are 2 cell phones.
There are 4 keys.
There is 1 bed.
There are 3 balls.
There are 4 chairs. There are 2 tables. There is 1 cup. There are 3 phones.
A shirt, a skirt, a dress, a coat, shoes, pants,
A yellow t-shirt. A blue shirt. 3 plates are white. 4 bowls are blue. A green t-shirt. A red shirt.
I am buying a skirt.
I am buying pants.
I am wearing pants.
I am wearing a skirt.
Who has the hat? Who has the ball? Who has the books? Who has the newspaper? The boy has the ball. The woman has the hat. The doctor has the newspaper. The girls have the books.